Salutations and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Today we will be talking about Protoceratops. And we have a Primal attack and a Dino rivals. Protoceratops we will compare to the beast of the Mesozoic. Protoceratops. So here we go. It is a tiny one. Because obviously Protoceratops are small. But they have also a larger version of these guys from Creative Beast Studio. They have a green one too as well, right here. I don't have it yet. Actually, I did order it, but they sent me a damaged one, so I have to return it. So I don't know if I still want to get a new one, the green version of these. So it comes with extra legs. I don't know why. So yeah, we're gonna unbox it and review it. All right. We'll compare to Mattel's Jurassic World Protoceratops. Okay, so this will be our third Protoceratops now. Alright, let's unbox it. Alright, while I'm unboxing this, okay, I'd like to say thank you again for the non-stop support, for the likes, and the subscription. Thank you so much. Alright. Let's see. Oh goodness, there's so much tape. Okay. Okay, I think I damaged it. There you go. We got it. Let's check it out. So this thing's really tiny, but it's really pricey as well. It is like $24 for this little thing. Wow, it is so small compared to Mattel. Oh my goodness. This is a small one. So there you go. It is a smaller version. I don't know if I want to get the bigger Protoceratops. It has a gigantic head though. So I don't know about that. If I'm gonna get it, maybe one day I will. But why is the legs like this? Look at that. Oh, there you go. I can move it. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I want to take out the other extra legs. Oh, these are front legs, I believe. These are the front hind legs. So the mouth does not move. It is open, but it does not move compared to Mattel. It's close. It doesn't move as well. I see. So look at the frill. It's different. But they're both Protoceratops, but for some reason Creative Beast Studio and Mattel's frills are different. Kinda odd there. Okay. The tail as well, it has a little, I don't know what you call those, like flip fins. I don't think there's a little bit here, so they got it right. So I don't think this thing swim. I'm not sure. I know they are part of the infamous Triceratops family. They're related to them. Yeah. Wow, it's so tiny. It's pretty pricey for its size. Oh wow, that's kinda nice. Can you? Oh, okay. So it articulates there. Oh gosh, I don't want to break it. I might break it. Okay, that's some weird legs there. Well, that's pretty much it for today then. Whoops. Okay. Alright guys, well, you see what I have here. These are the Protoceratops I had today. We'll get the green one next time, maybe, because it's way too small and pricey. Alright guys, thanks again. Have a great day, and don't forget to click the subscribe and like button. Thanks guys, bye.